Hey there, phenomenal Earn Online Lesotho family. I'm your ever enthusiastic host, Marenyane Mokhethi, back with some groundbreaking news that's set to change the game. For those of you just joining us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become part of our diverse community. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. In the world of Earn Online Lesotho, we advocate for uniqueness, for standing out from the crowd. And you know what? One of our most potent tools in achieving this is the thumbnail. Think of it as your digital billboard, the first thing that catches the eye of the viewer. It has the power to make a world of difference. Now, why is it critical that every video has an eye-catching thumbnail? Well, it's your first impression, the deciding factor that can make or break a viewer's decision to click on your video. A great thumbnail isn't just a nice to have, it's a must-have for success on YouTube. Now, to the exciting part. It's with great pleasure that I announce the launch of our thumbnail design services. Have you ever found it challenging to create striking thumbnails? Or maybe you're looking to elevate your channel to new heights? This service is just for you. Picture a thumbnail that not only encapsulates your content, but also irresistibly draws in viewers. That's the essence of this new service. Wondering how it works? It's a breeze. Just give me a call or send me a WhatsApp message at the number now on your screen. We'll chat about your vision, your brand identity, and any specific elements you'd like to incorporate. The aim? To make your life simpler and your content sparkle. Here's where I need your phenomenal support. By choosing to collaborate with me on your thumbnails, you'll not only secure an amazing design, but you'll also be supporting Earn Online Lesotho. This enables me to keep creating content, upgrading equipment, and dedicating more time to enhancing our community. So, are you ready to elevate your thumbnails and support Earn Online Lesotho? Don't delay, give me a call or send me a WhatsApp message at +266 565 19869 and let's turn your vision into reality. I can't wait to work with you, to create stunning thumbnails, and to watch your channel shine even brighter. Thanks for your ongoing support, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay creative and keep rocking those thumbnails.